Hi everyone. I'm Raj and I work as a ERP engineer in Addend Analytics. And today we'll be learning about isolated storage in Business Central, and I will give a quick demo of what isolated storage works in Business Central, as well as I will show the underlying code behind this demo, be it table or be it a page. So basically, isolated storage is a database provided by Business Central where we can save our sensitive data like passwords and encrypted texts, and we can then actually access them using the get method. So isolated storage are neither the part of a table or not nor the extension. It is just as the name suggests, it is isolated storage uh, which is there in database and which serves the purpose of storing sensitive data and accessing it whenever we require. This is the underlying code for the table. We have created a new table including two fields. First is set password and another is get password. And the data type we have keep is as a code. Here is the card page, and here we have two fields, set password, get password. And in the card page, we have declared two action. One is set password action, which will be setting the password, which we will pass here in the password variable, and another one is getting the password, which will be stored in this variable get password. These are the two local procedures for setting the password and getting the password. And one thing to notice here is that we are using isolated storage procedure, which is a by default base procedure, and we are using set method where we are this is the key of the password and this is the value that we will be defining and storing in the database. So the value stored in this value will be associated with the key, which is this, and it will be used to access the password that we have stored in the database. In this case, we have defined the data scope as a module, which it it is saying that this method will be accessible inside this module only. The scope of this method, or we can access our password inside the module itself. Okay, and whenever we hit the get password method, the password will be written in the variable password. So now let's get back to the front end and see if it works. So here in this set password field, I will set a new password. Okay, I am setting a new password. I have defined a new password and I will now set this password in the database. So I have set the password. Now it's time to access the password. Now when I will click on get password method, sorry, action, in this case, a message will appear on the screen which will show me what is my password that I have set already, and the same will appear in this get password field. So this is the password I had stored in the database. Okay, and the same will be appear on this field. So this is how isolated storage works in Business Central. Thank you.